Have you ever wondered how to determine the resistance per centimeter of a wire? Well, you might be intrigued to know that it's not as complicated as it might seem. First, you need to set up your equipment. You'll require a wire of a known length, an ammeter, a voltmeter, and a power supply. Connect the wire to the power supply, ensuring the ammeter is in series and the voltmeter is in parallel. Now, it's time to adjust the parameters. The length of the wire remains constant throughout this experiment. The current, however, can be varied by tweaking the settings of the power supply. Once you've got everything set, it's time to collect some data. Start by running a small current through the wire and measure the voltage using the voltmeter. Jot down these values. Subsequently, increase the current and record the corresponding voltage. Next, grab a piece of graph paper and plot a graph with potential difference on the y-axis and current on the x-axis. Here's where it gets interesting. The resistance per unit length of the wire, in this case, per centimeter, is determined by the slope of this graph. You see, according to Ohm's law, resistance equals voltage divided by current. Hence, the slope of this graph is essentially the reciprocal of resistance per centimeter. Now, to calculate the resistance per centimeter, you need to calculate the slope of the graph, which is the change in voltage divided by the change in current. Performing this experiment gives you a clear understanding of how the wire's resistance changes with the current. Generally, the resistance of a wire is directly proportional to its length. Therefore, you can find the resistance per centimeter by dividing the resistance by the length. By plotting this graph, you're able to experimentally determine the wire's resistance per centimeter. This is a vital parameter for various electrical applications and calculations. So, the next time you ponder about the resistance per centimeter of a wire, remember, all you need is an ammeter, a voltmeter, a power supply, and a little bit of curiosity.